Today, I am reviewing Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful yet compact carpet and upholstery cleaner, then the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Deep Cleaner might just be what you need. Today, I'll be giving you a full review of this product, covering its design, performance, features, and why so many people love it. First, let's talk about what makes this cleaner stand out. The Bissell Little Green Mini is designed to handle the toughest stains and messes without taking up much space. It weighs only 7 pounds, which makes it lightweight and easy to carry around your home, car, or even upstairs. Unlike bulky carpet cleaners, this model is small enough to store in a cabinet, a closet, or even tuck away in a corner when not in use. When it comes to performance, this portable cleaner is more powerful than it looks. It uses a simple spray, scrub, and suction system to remove embedded dirt, stubborn stains, and even odors from carpets, rugs, upholstery, and car interiors. Whether it's pet accidents, spilled drinks, food stains, or just everyday dirt, the Little Green Mini is built to tackle it all. One of the most impressive things about this product is its HydroRinse self-cleaning tool. Cleaning your hose after using a carpet cleaner is usually a messy job, but Bissell made it simple. With the HydroRinse feature, you can easily flush out the hose so it stays fresh and ready for the next use. That means less hassle for you and more time enjoying a cleaner home. Included in the box, you also get a 4-inch tough stain tool with a removable lens. This tool is excellent for targeting problem spots, whether it's a coffee stain on your couch, mud tracked in on your carpet, or a pet accident on a rug. The removable lens makes cleaning the tool itself quick and simple. Along with that, Bissell provides an 8-ounce bottle of their Little Green cleaning formula, which is designed to instantly and permanently remove stains while eliminating everyday household odors. Another big reason people love this cleaner is its versatility. It's not limited to carpets. You can use it on sofas, chairs, mattresses, pet beds, staircases, and even your car's interior. If you're someone who drives often, you know how easy it is for dirt and food crumbs to build up in seats and floor mats. The Bissell Little Green Mini can refresh your car's upholstery in minutes, making it look and smell almost new again. Let's also highlight the eye-catching benefit that sets Bissell apart. Every purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation, which works to save homeless pets. Since 2011, Bissell has donated over $26 million to this cause. So when you buy this product, you're not just getting a cleaner home, you're also contributing to helping pets in need. Now, let's talk a little about the technical details. The cleaner has a 16-ounce capacity, which is more than enough for tackling everyday messes. It's powered by corded electricity, so you don't have to worry about batteries running out during cleaning. The suction is strong enough to pull out deep dirt, and with a compact design, you can maneuver it into tight spaces that larger machines can't reach. Customer feedback on this product has been overwhelmingly positive. On average, it has a 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 1,200 reviews. Users love how convenient and effective it is for quick cleanups, especially for homes with kids or pets. Many reviewers mention that it's a must-have for pet owners, since accidents happen and this cleaner makes dealing with them stress-free. Of course, no product is perfect. Because of its compact size, it's not meant to clean large rooms or entire carpets in one go. If you need to deep clean an entire house, you might want a bigger machine. But for spot cleaning, car detailing, and small messes, the Bissell Little Green Mini shines. To sum it all up, the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is a smart investment for anyone who wants a cleaner home without the bulk of a full-size machine. It's lightweight, compact, and powerful enough to handle tough stains on carpets, furniture, stairs, pet beds, and even cars. With handy tools like the Tough Stain Tool, the HydroRinse self-cleaning hose, and Bissell's reliable cleaning formula, it delivers excellent value for the price. Plus, the added benefit of supporting a good cause makes it even more worthwhile. If you're a pet owner, a parent, or just someone who wants to keep their home and car looking fresh and spotless, this cleaner is definitely worth considering. Affordable, easy to use, and effective, the Bissell Little Green Mini has earned its spot as one of the most popular portable carpet cleaners available today.